Hello everybody, welcome to my class. This is my introduction. Today I am going to talking about water cycle. That means today's topic is water cycle. Here is the learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to say where does rain come from, or you can explain about a water cycle. Have you want to know where does the rain come from or what is the water cycle? Let's learn about it. Here's the water cycle picture. In this picture, there are some steps of water cycle. The first step is evaporation and then condensation. Third step is precipitation. As a result is collection. Let's watch a video. Look here, ocean, river, stream, waterfall, all is our natural element of environment. Water cycle, and here the first step, evaporation, is the process by which water from rivers, lakes, ocean changes from liquid to a gas or vapor. And then condensation is the process by which a gas changes into liquid form. In this case, water vapor became water droplets again. When the clouds become full of water, the small water droplets join to become large drops of water which fall down as rain. All the water that falls as rain on the land falls down towards the ocean. This includes streams, rivers, waterfalls, and it called surface runoff. Okay, now what is the water cycle? Here's the short definition. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states. Liquid water is found in oceans, rivers, lakes, and even underground. The steps of water cycle. First step is evaporation. Look at this picture. Here the sun. When the sun is sunshine, then the heat of the sun warms water turning into invisible gas. This process called evaporation. And the second step is condensation. Condensation is the process where the water vapor in the air is changed into liquid water again. Remember, condensation is very important in the water cycle because it is responsible for the formation of clouds. Look at this picture. It indicates condensation. And third step is precipitation. Precipitation is when the water released from clouds in the form of rain, snow, or hail. Here is your homework. See the picture and tell the water cycle's steps name. Look at the first picture. Here's the ocean. It's the indicated ocean. And the sunshine. And second picture, clouds. Third picture is rainy day. That indicates rain. See the picture and write down in your copy. Okay, students. Rain is very useful for all because rain is an important part of our water cycle. Also, rain is very important for the survival of plants and animals. It brings fresh water to the earth's surface. Always remember, here is the moral. Rain is very useful for all. Thanks to all. See you next day. Bye-bye.